That hurts!
This is Wanderlust Overland.
Where the heck are we?
This can't be right. When we were at the FJ Summit out in Colorado this year, our friends at Toytec Lifts gave us this.
It's a cool new shifter knob. This is going to be our very first modification to the new rig. Well, out with the old clunky shifter knob and in with the new. This comes off fairly easy, you just unscrew it. Next, we put on the jam nut that came with the shifter knob. In cases like this, we like to use a little Loctite and screw it on. Then, screw on the Toytec knob. You may have to adjust the jam nut in order to get the logo to line up just right.
Whoa, that is cool.
I know, right?
We are officially on our way.
No turning back now.
Let's go for a drive.